Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Frank. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys on how to create and publish a blog post on your WordPress website. So if you're just getting started and finding it difficult to create a blog post, this video is for you. Now before we get started, click on the subscribe button and also like this video as I'm going to open your eyes to a lot of things. Now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, now the first thing you do, you will log into your WordPress dashboard. So this is my WordPress dashboard. And for those of you finding it difficult to get to this dashboard, so what you do on the browser URL, you type in your domain name /wp-admin. So once you type in, you click on enter and you'll be asked to input your username and your password that you use to create your WordPress website when buying hosting and domain. So you just have to put in the details and you click on login and you get to this interface. Now on the left hand panel of your WordPress dashboard, you will see some couple of libraries like the post, media, pages, comments. Now for the purpose of this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to create a post. So once you hover on posts, you will see all posts, add new posts, categories and tags. So you click on add new post. Now, as you can see, we are asked to give our post title. So you give the post the title. Let's say we're creating a post about pets, beautiful pets in Nigeria. Okay, after giving your post the title, then you can write what the post is about. Okay, now so let's just stop here. We'll just say some beautiful pets in Nigeria include. So once you are done, you can choose a text color background. You can typography if you want it to be bigger, you can make it smaller, you can make it medium, you can make it large, you can make it extra large. Then you can choose the text. Okay, the color you want it to be dark, it's already dark, then some pink, orange. Then for the post, you can set a featured image. So the featured image is the default image of a blog post. So once you set a featured image for this blog, it will be the default picture, that the first picture you're going to see before you see the blog description and all of that. So let's set a featured image so you can see. Okay, so let's say I want to use this picture. I want to use this picture as my featured image, and I'll click on set as featured image. Okay, now so once you are done creating your blog post and the description, you can choose publish. But before we publish this, I want to show you some other things. So you can see this plus icon. So this plus icon includes a lots of variety of elements. You can add a paragraph, you can add image, you can add heading, you can add quotes, you can add lists, and you can also search. You can browse all and you see all of them. You can add a code snippet. You can add classic table, media, image, audio, YouTube videos, all of that, files, buttons, tag, page break, all of that. So that is that. And once you are done, you just want to click on cancel and you customize the blog post to your taste. So let's say we're done with this. I want to click on publish. Okay, as you can see, our blog post is live. Now, there are two ways you can view it. You can view it immediately you publish it, or you go back. So I'm showing you the right way and normal way to see your blog post. So you go back to your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so you go to post and you click on it. As you can see, our post is live here. Beautiful pets in Nigeria. So you can view this post now. So you click on view. So you can see this is our blog post, beautiful pets in Nigeria, and you can leave a link. reply. The reason why um, the featured image refused to show because I'm using a template for this website. So I have to customize it in order for the featured image to show. So guys, if this video helped you, kindly give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And as I'll be dropping tricks on how you can navigate WordPress. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.